it's me, Pauline. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And so for today, I'm going to do an unboxing video. So this one came around an hour ago, and I think this is the JWK bag. And it took almost a month for this bag to arrive. So I'm actually very happy that it's here. A little bit of a disappointment because it took so long for it to reach Austria. And I actually ordered 2 bags and only 1 bag came. When I checked and tracked it, this one was already out for delivery and the other one is still on the checking process. So I hope it arrives tomorrow or on Friday. I wanted to do both bags. I just wanted to do the unboxing for both bags at the same time, but I guess I have to do this one first because I really want to see what's inside. So just a bit of an overview about the company. So this is Friday by JW Pay, and it's a sister company of JW Pay. So the other one has Friday and the other one has JW Pay only. So they put their high-end ones and the ones with limited edition stocks in a JW Pay site. Friday by JW Pay is more of their affordable ones. So every Friday at 5 p.m. they release a new bag with a 10% discount code if you're registered in their newsletter email, I think. So for that one, they always send you every Friday, but they always put the sale products in their website, in the Friday by JW Pay. So I'd recommend you to check Friday by JW Pay because it's a lot cheaper. And for their bags, it's all vegan leather. So vegan leather means it's just free from any animal products. So it's not like calf leather or anything. It's just fully vegan leather. So the material that they use is called PU or polyurethane, and the lining inside itself is actually I think it's 100% recycled plastic bottles, which is very good. So just to clarify, I am not a vegan. I watch a lot of videos, bag reviews. I'm a bag enthusiast. I collect a lot of bags, and as you know, I'm starting to review a lot of bags. And when I watched this YouTuber, her name is Despina, and she was just honest. Like, if you're not vegan, if you're vegan and you want to make a change, or you just wanted to try something new, then maybe you can try this out. You can try this out. And I was like, well, as a bag enthusiast, I was very curious about it, and vegan leather goods are way cheaper than designer ones because I'm a big fan of designer bags, but they're very expensive. I mean, it's not every day or every month or every year that you can actually buy because they're expensive. So for me, if I can get a bag that's cheaper and it's making a change, it helps with the environment, then why not check it out? That's why I was very intrigued by it when I watched the video. So I am not trying to be hypocritical or something, just a disclaimer. I just wanted to give a full honest review, an opinion, and just to try it out, just for something that maybe if some other people who are fans of vegan leather would look for a new bag and they want to check a video first and check the other people's opinion before they buy something, because that's what I do. Before I buy something, I always check YouTube and Instagram to properly check the bag before I get it. So I just hope to help other people when it comes to designing their new baby bags. So let's get going. Very excited. It took a month, so I actually don't know why, but according, I emailed the staff and they said that during that time there was a 1-week holiday in China, so they weren't able to ship it, because I thought that this bag is going to be shipped from the United States, but apparently it's coming from Guangzhou. So actually very excited. Okay, let's see. Oh, interesting. They have a cute box. I watch a lot of videos of people reviewing JWK online, And at first, I think it's from Christine. When she has a lot of vegan bags, and during her first reviews, JWP doesn't really have a box, or the packaging, it was not like this. So I think they're getting a lot of customers, and it's good that they are actually improving on that. So look at the box. I mean, it's just wonderful. It has this marble design, and it has the brand here, JWP, and it's very small, so let's check it. Okay. Oh, very nicely packed. So it has this, oh, okay. So they have a sample swatch. It says ultra microfiber. So I think that's the material. And they have a pin, and it says thank you. So thank you for your purchase. Oh, that's interesting. So we believe the future of fashion is ethical and sustainable. It means so much to us that you chose to be cruelty-free and support recycling. Please share our story with your friends and family. So I'm sharing it on YouTube. So I'm actually very happy because, of course, if you buy leather bags, if you just buy it, there's not much thought into it. But ever since I've been interested in vegan goods, it's just wonderful. Like, the people are so nice. I met a lot of friends, and I asked them a lot about vegan leather goods because I don't know anything about it. And then I've been watching a lot of videos, and just buying this bag, they put more effort and thought than buying other branded stuff. I mean, it's so beautiful. So I'll be showing a picture or a close-up video of this, so it's easier for you guys to see. I'm sorry, I'm still recovering from a sickness, so it's a little difficult, but I really wanted to see this bag, so I opened it. Okay. Let's see this letter. Ah. What is happening? I cannot get it out. Product here. I'll just get it out later. Okay, so woohoo! It comes with a dust bag as well. Very nice. I am so excited for this. Okay. It's just really nicely packed. And I really appreciate the pin. Though, I mean, it's for canvas bags, so I cannot use it for this bag that I purchased. Oh, interesting. Oh no. Okay. Okay, so here's the bag. So I chose this one because on the website and based on the review, I checked a YouTube video about it. I will link down below, and it's the same style, and it was just nice. I mean, it convinced me to get the same color and same style. So for this one, I think it's called the Fiona bag, and they say you can use it as a clutch if you put your hand here and just carry it that way, but I think it's quite chunky. It's kind of big. So it's kind of wide, so I don't think I'm going to use it as a clutch, but it's just a shoulder crossbody bag. And the design is the accordion one. I mean, it's very nice. Was really surprised. And I thought it would be bluer, sky blue or bluer. It has a touch of gray if you look at it in person. I think on camera it would just register as blue, but it really has a tint of gray to it. So, first impressions. Doesn't have so much of a smell. Vegan bags are actually quite different. I mean, when I try to smell them, I don't know, it's just different. That was weird. But I always like to smell the bags, that's why. It just gives me a sign that it's new. Anyways, it has 2 compartments here. I'm going to include a proper review next time, but it's just my first impression. So it's very nice. I am actually very happy that I got this one. No regrets at all. And it looks very nice. I just don't have other words about it. And so for this one, I will not give a review for today because I want to use it first for a week or two, just so I can give an honest review about the bag. Of course, for the first impressions, it's always very perfect, right? But when you use it, there might be some pros and cons. So I would want to use this one first before I give you a review, so I know what to say by that time, because right now I can't give you a con, it's just pros. So I'll try to give you a review after a week or two, but for now, this is a winner, and it was very, very affordable. I think it was on sale. Let me double check the price. It wasn't so expensive, and I actually got a further discount, because if you subscribe to their newsletter, you get another 10% off. So it was on sale, and then I added the discount code, so I got it on a super sale. It was nice. I always like a good bargain, so that's good. And I mean, I messaged them that my bag hasn't arrived. They gave me another $5 actually to use, but it took almost a month for it to arrive. That's why I don't want to use that $5. I mean, I don't want to wait for another month for my bag to arrive. Usually it only takes 5 to 10 days. I can't find it. I'm checking the Friday by JW Pay. Okay, here. Oh no, I don't think it's sale anymore. Oh, that's sad. Or maybe I was just talking so much I wasn't able to see. It's on the first page. I was already at the 4th page. Okay, so the original price of this is $175 and it's now $53. So I got this for $53, and it was such a big discount. Sorry, I was checking in euros, so 175 euros, and now it's 3 euros. I'll try to check the dollar conversion of that, but yes. So when you go to their website, you can also check at the right side of their website, there's gonna be this spin the wheel. So if ever I think I was able to spin the wheel at that time, and I got 15% off. So I actually didn't use 10 but 15. I can't remember, but if you get the 50% off, then that's a really good deal. So might as well check these things. I'm going to link their website down below, and as I said, I'll be using this bag first before I give you a proper review in a week or two, so that I can give you an honest one, not just first impressions and just being biased or something. Okay, so this video is not sponsored. Definitely it was my money. And I am, as a disclaimer again, I am not vegan, I'm a bag enthusiast, but I'm just trying out new things, and if I can help you decide on your vegan bag, then I am very happy to do so. For this one, I'm not regretting anything, and I'm actually very interested in other vegan bags thanks to the other people that influenced me, and it's just very nice. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please check my Instagram and Facebook page. I'll link it down below as well, or here. And if you like my videos, and if you're interested in bag reviews or just traveling around Europe, specifically in Austria, then please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!